Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to connect multiple boards to a dashboard on Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. First up, log into your Monday.com account. Now this might seem like a no-brainer, but it's crucial because you need to be logged in to access and manage your boards and dashboards. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Dashboards tab. Click on it. The reason we do this is to access the Dashboards page where you can manage all your existing dashboards and create new ones. Next, click on the New button at the top right corner of your screen. Select Dashboard from the drop-down menu. This will create a new dashboard, which is like a control room where you can monitor multiple boards at once. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your boards to this dashboard. Click on the Add Widget button on your new dashboard and select Board. A new window will pop up showing all your existing boards. Select the boards you want to add and click on the Add to Dashboard button. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of multiple projects or tasks in one place, enhancing our productivity and overall workflow. Remember, you can repeat this step as many times as you need to add all your desired boards. Let me explain why this matters. The more boards you add, the more comprehensive your dashboard becomes, giving you a holistic view of your work. Lastly, don't forget to name and save your dashboard by clicking on the Save button at the top right corner. This is vital because it ensures that your dashboard is safely stored for future reference. And there you have it. You've connected multiple boards to a dashboard on Monday.com. This is a simple yet effective way to streamline your workflow and keep on top of your game. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to put these steps into